There you go.
Woo! Peace, Jesus.
To me, Elio's doing the last two. Last year, looked like a lot of black stuff in the streets.
Pretty, yay, pretty.
Oh, rock, that was a good one.
Mine was like.
Mine pretty, mine was pretty. They look like spider butt. Go, Josie, go.
Of course I'm
I just heard the people say, look at it, look at it, look at it. Whoa, it rocked my ears.
Yeah, good job, guys.
I know I like fire. Is it really that easy to just light fireworks?
Good job, buddy.
You're kidding me.
Woo!
Dad,
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job, honey.
Dad, is it really that easy just to light fireworks?
We just lighted a bunch of fireworks.
Yeah, those were really good.
Got the marshmallows.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Did you see that?
I'm gonna get you oh, the best fireworks I've ever seen.
You like those?
Did you see me?
Did you see mine?
That was fun.
Oh my god, I'm really cold.
You wanna ride the scooter, Elio?
Hey.
You better ask your brother.
Matt riding your scooter?
Yep, that's for a little bit. Good. This is what you do when you're really cold. There you go.
High five.
That was a nice little preamble. Pre-New Year's Eve blast.
Yes.
Explosion. How'd you like that, Alexandra?
I'm on the high five, but I like.
Oh, okay, I didn't see you. High five.
Hey, the moon screamed. The moon screamed. No, he was like